So, hello guys. This is very fantastic day. You see, to my computer is very modernized and very effective logo design. So this is very simple but very colorful design. So this is nice and updated easy logo. So no more talk, just you stay with me and you can learn something from here. So first of all, I needed to keep the corner side a little bit here, small. Is it too small? I'm sorry for that. So right here, I'm keeping here. This is very simple. So what tool I needed first? I needed to go here. You see, you're reading ellipse tool. So I need to first of all these ellipse tools. So I need to keep here in the center. You see, like that. Yes, okay. So I need to now to copy this one. How I copy? You know the friends how to use the keyboard or shortcut. So press the Control and the C and also press the F in it to tell you magic. So just you see now here, yes, already done. So what can I do? I now just a little bit small here. You see, I needed to small this one and keep here all things. I need now again it will be bigger, otherwise it cannot be too exactly like that. So again I need a little bit here. I needed to a little bit smaller here, and I needed by pressing uh, shift key, and I need a little bit bigger, and I need it here just to keep here. You see, don't go far, friend. Just watch this video. You can learn here very magic process. So I need to now just to copy this one, and I go to the shape builder tool over here, and by pressing Alt key, you see exactly like that. So what can I do? I now need to go. First of all, I need to keep here because I need now to create the leaf. So how is easy? Just you see. Go to the fast tool and straight here, keep here, and by pressing Shift key here, and just like that here, and go to the here, and press key here. Yes. Now again, I need. Oh, sorry, it's done better. So okay, I need here. Just go there by pressing Shift key. Then I a little bit here, like that, and go here, and different here. Go to the here. You see how is possible. You may enjoy how is possible. So like that, I go here. You see. Okay. So I need here. I keep this one like that here. Yes, it's done already left. So what can I do? I need just to keep this one small bigger and bigger but a small little bit here. Yes. Now what can I do? I just write it here like that. Yes. Now I need to keep copy here like that and a little bit smaller here. Keep this smaller here. Yes, I need it now here just to little bit like that. Yeah, I needed to match this one together. Yes, it's exactly what can I do. I a little bit here, a little bit. Yes, that is almost done. So I need to know just to copy this one by pressing Order. Yes. Okay. I have done already. Already done. And this one. Okay. So I need to now here just keep here all the things. What can I do? I now just type this design. Go to the type tool. Yes. Go here. You see? It's magic. Just you follow my video. You can learn here. So what can I do? I just go here, cut all the things. I just right here, design like that, design, yes, done, good, and fantastic, done. So you see my font, corporate, Gothic bold. This is a fantastic uh, font. So I need to just check here. I needed to color change. I need what kind of color? I need just this one color. Yes, it is. I like this one. It's a fantastic color. So I need to just keep here, put here. I need a little bit smaller, I think. Get to more better. No, it's too much smaller. So I need a little bit. Yes, I know this one a little bit smaller, not bigger. Yes, I need to now just rotate it here for the like that, uh, or like that, exactly like that. Now, little bit here. Go to the upper side. You see how it's a fantastic design. Put a little bit down here. Hit this one a little bit down. Yeah, I needed to down this one out. It will be more better. Yes, you see? Exactly like that. No difference between this one. So, dear guys, this is the complete design to enjoy this design. If you wanted to promote your design or you develop your skill, just communicate and see this video. You can learn something. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.